If you've been following the development of Handbrake, you'll have noticed that it hit 1.7.3 recently. And also, if you've been following the development of SVT-AV1, you know for the past 2 months it's been at version 1.8 on GitLab. Now the odd part is in the release version of Handbrake 1.7.3, they're still using the 1.7 SVT-AV1 build. And it's really peculiar to me because we've had for a couple months now 1.8 in the nightly builds. So I would have thought that this 1.7.3 would be a perfect release time for it, especially since if you go into GitLab, you'll see that they're readying the release of SVT-AV1 1.9 soon. So it seems that Handbrake is a little bit behind the department. So for those using FFmpeg, it's all 1.8 has already been implemented. So you could always go that direction, though you would have to be able to use the CLI or command line interface to access FFmpeg unless you have it ported over to another application that uses it in the back end within its GUI.